Hi, here you are seeing our unique tool holders. 27 types of holders to arrange all your most used tools nicely on the wall, closest to your working area. Easy to retrieve and easy to put back after working with the tools. These unique tool holders are made for life. Looks great already. No need to paint. These holders are made with high-grade stainless steel, so no rust. These 27 types of holders can hold virtually any of your tools besides what you are seeing here. Let's explore the holders one by one. Together, this one is our pliers holder, where you can store 5 pieces of different types of pliers, including but not limited to cutting pliers, circlet pliers, long nose pliers, etc. Then is our hex keys or Torx keys holder, where you can keep one set of hex keys or Torx keys from size 1 mm to 10 mm nicely, all arranged from the largest to the smallest and each one having its own place. Then comes our double open-end spanner holder, where you can store 12 pieces of spanners nicely. Though we have kept ring spanners on it, you can keep double open-end spanners here. And then we have half-inch socket holders, where you can keep 14 pieces of half-inch sockets of sizes up to 32 millimeters. Then we have a unique L-socket holder, where you can keep 15 pieces of L-sockets from 6 to 24 millimeters sizes. And all of our holders are made following the principles of mistake proofing wherever possible. It means that you cannot keep a very small one here or a big one here. So the holder's design itself prevents you from misplacing your tools. Isn't it cool? Then we have ring spanner holder, where you can keep 15 pieces of ring spanners securely. Then we have this ratchet wrench holder, where you can keep ratchet wrenches, or even in this holder you can keep your paint spray gun or PU foam gun if you wish. This is our universal hammer holder, where you can keep different types of hammers. Then we have a T-socket holder, where you can keep your T-sockets nicely. Then we have a grip plier holder, where you can keep your grip plier. In this same holder you can store your hand files or hex keys with handles. Then if we go up, we have this single hook where you can keep an adjustable wrench or any other tools having such holes. And then we have this tri-square holder, where you can keep 2 pieces of tri-squares. Then we have this vernier caliper holder, where you can keep 2 pieces of vernier calipers. Then we come here. We have this cordless impact driver holder, or you can keep a cordless screwdriver which has this shape and form. Then we have this angle grinder holder, where you can keep an angle grinder as well as its key. This holder looks nice, where you can keep your angle grinder along with its key nicely. And then we have a drill machine holder, where you can keep your drill machine along with chuck keys. In this holder you can also keep your cordless drill or screwdriver if you wish. Same with the pneumatic tools holder, where you can keep different types of pneumatic tools having such air nozzles. You can also keep your pneumatic pencil grinder if needed. That way, each tool has its own little home. Then we have this brush holder, where you can keep 5 pieces of brushes for maintenance purposes and 1 piece of paste tube based on your requirement. Then, we have this drill bits holder, where you can keep 10 pieces of drill bits from 1 mm to 8 mm size. Then we have another one where you can keep 8 pieces of drill bits from 8 mm to 12 mm diameter. Then we have this screwdriver bits holder, where you can keep 8 pieces of screwdriver bits. And you can also keep small grinding stones. Then this one is a drill machine holder, where you can keep your pipe cutter alternatively. This is a small box where you can keep your nuts, bolts, or small screws based on your needs. Then this is a safety goggles holder, where you can keep your safety goggles nicely. Then we have a nice wall shelf, where you can keep different sorts of items or tools which you can't keep in any other holders. This is our wall hooks, where you can keep different types of tools or items having such holes based on your needs. Then we have a disc holder, where you can keep different cutting or grinding discs nicely. This is basically a hammer holder which you can use to keep your air protector alternatively. These tool holders can actually hold virtually any of your tools. One holder can hold different sorts of tools besides the ones shown here. So I hope that you will like these holders, as they are very easy to keep, very easy to retrieve, and always in front of you when you need them. So you don't need to search in different drawers or boxes for your tools. These are exclusively and uniquely designed by Bangla machines, and we are selling them all over the world. Thank you. Hope that you will purchase from us. Bye bye.